You might know it by one of its many names: Dodge Husky, Chrysler Vogue, or perhaps the most famous ones, the Roots Arrow, also known as the Hillman Hunter. But I'm not here to talk about the Hunter itself. Rather, I want to talk about a transformed version of it, the Hunter Pickup.
وانت باردو، سخت جان و پرتوان، گروه صنعتی ایران خودرو.
IKCO officially redesigned the Hillman Hunter only once in its lifetime. The very early Hunter had a pickup version that closely resembled the South African variant known as the Dodge Husky. After Iran introduced its own revised version of the Hunter, the pickup model was also updated to match the new design. From the front, the design is pure Peykan DNA, a flat hood, rectangular headlights, and a simple horizontal grille. Nothing fancy, nothing modern. Just a classic workhorse face. From the side, the long, straight cargo bed and flat body panels show exactly what this vehicle was built for. Practicality. No curves, no styling tricks, just a clean, utilitarian shape. At the back, the standout feature is the embossed IKCO stamped into the tailgate. Simple vertical tailgates and a heavy steel bumper complete the look. It is old school, tough, and unmistakably Iranian. I found one online and went to the address to film it. The car was around 20 years old and had 500,000 kilometers on the odometer. However, the engine was still running normally. This model originally came with a 1.6-liter OHV 4-cylinder engine. The same unit upgraded to Euro 2 standards and later fitted with an injector system continued production well into the 1980s. In 2012, the Peykan Pickup received another update to improve safety and reduce emissions. This included new bumpers, clear headlamps, and more importantly, technical upgrades such as ABS brakes. It was also re-released with an improved Peugeot RD engine, the 1.7-liter OHV2 with Euro 4 standards. Buyers could still choose the dual-fuel version, which produced around 76 horsepower on natural gas. Inside, the design is as simple and old-school as the car itself. You get a thin classic steering wheel with almost no contouring, and a basic analog gauge cluster that shows only the essentials. The dashboard is flat and boxy, built for function rather than comfort. The center panel is extremely minimal, with large mechanical switches and sliding levers from another era. No screens, no digital displays, just pure mechanical simplicity. The door panels are plain, with a metallic latch, manual window controls, and straight horizontal lines. Everything feels straightforward, durable, and intentionally uncomplicated. The entire interior tells the same story as the vehicle itself. A tool, not a toy. Built to work, not to impress. Remarkably, even in its final years of production, the Peykan was never fitted with hydraulic steering. At this moment, I decided to get a little bit of shoulder workout.